Hello everyone, this is Engineer Syed Aslam. Today I came with another topic which is related to 132 kV transmission line. So here, in our previous videos we discussed about the civil activities and also the telecommunication activities. And we also discussed some electrical points not discussed in detail. So now right now I am explaining all the detailed activities for the electrical works. So I write it down just to save the time while explaining the video becoming too big. That's why I written everything. So now I can quickly explain what has been written here. Okay. So here material inspection. Okay, so before that material inspection you have to do this FAC fact test report. So in the factory we have to go and do the inspection and approve this one as per the client requirements. Okay, once everything is okay there, then we have to allow them to do the shipment if it is coming from other countries. Okay, if it is a local also, you can go and make inspection and approve the this fact test report. Then the material will come. So after material inspection, then start this material storage. Okay, so during this material storage, first stacking time you make sure all the heavy members should be go downside. Okay, and light members should not come on below the heavy members. This will get bent, so this mistakes will happen at site. So try to elevate from the ground also the material 20 centi or 30 centi, 40 centi, no issue. If any rain or some moisture, no, it will not contact. To avoid direct contact with the material, we have to elevate this one. Okay, and keep this and try to stack member wise, heavy member separate, light member separate, like this, and start the tagging signages, which material UAT, what type of material towards names. So then it is easy to take from there. Okay, then remember one thing, the nut and bolts, everything, it should be in the box. Okay, especially the pull nuts normally get corrode easily, because nobody will manufacture, normally contractor buy this pull nuts. So we have to take care of this. Then material segregation is finished. Material mobilization. So this material mobilization is also very important. Before you make your store setup, make sure your store should have good access. Normally this material will go from one side to another side in a trailer will be quite big. So if your store and access is very short and confined space, then it is very much difficult to turn and go comfortably inside. So during the setup of store, you have to make a visit and also check it should be near to your site. Now your site is at the east and your store at the west, then waste of time, waste of money, too much time. So this planning is very important. So try to take your store middle of the line, something like this, office, so it is easy to shift the material and also, and your gate access should be good. Then only select the place. Okay, then we will go for the after material you finish everything, inspection, stacking, then as per the list, there is a list. Okay, but suppose you need one tower number 30 UAT, so you have list of UAT. According to the list UAT, how many numbers is coming for bracings, it will given the numbers. According to this number you have to remove this number of pieces. For one tower, how many pieces is required, it will mention in the list. So you have to follow that list and segregate the material, right?
Yes.
Like that, and then take this material to the site. Okay, ground assembly. What we have to take care, first of all your structure part should be level. okay, and it should be enough space. Don't keep all the material at the edge, it will get fell down. And don't keep your tower material directly on the ground, it will damage your galvanized coating. So keep material with proper storage, it as per the standard mentioned. No, it is a basic normal practice. Yeah. So keep some wooden planks or something and raise this material, okay. Then ground assembly as per the approved drawing. So in the drawing, if you see this one connection and everything, then just you make the just fittings. You will not do the final tightening. Final tightening will be the last. Just you are jointing this leg extension, bracings. You know, in the tower we have ground assembly, basic body, then cage, then arms, then pick. These are the parts. So according to this, you have to segregate and do the bolting, not final tight. Then after this, each part is completed the assembly, you have to use the crane for erection. First, you have to do the leg extension. Okay. For each leg extension, we should have at least 4 people. 4, 4, 4, 4 like this. So they can do bolting, tightening, and one person will help in the for giving signals. And you need this crane. Don't use the boom truck, okay. Boom truck will damage this the coating. Then after that we will go for the tower tightening. So tower erection finished, bottom and cage, arms and pick is finished. Then we will go for tower tightening inspection. Before, you have to do the internal inspection before the client inspection, okay. You have to raise your internal RFI and make sure you are check everything, then call for the final inspection to client. For tower tightening, tower erection, we have 2 methods, crane method and gin pole method. Crane method is where we can use where we have good access. Gin pole method is where the crane cannot access. That location we are using gin pole method. Gin pole, you know, it is separately, it will join and erect, same like a high-rise building tower, how we are erecting step by step, same way it will do the erection. Okay, after finish, then next we will go for the tower tightening. Tower tightening, we have 16 mm, 20 mm, 24 mm bolts. So normally in the drawing, you don't need to worry. In the drawing, they will mention how much torque value should be there required. So for our project, we have 16 mm bolts, 115 to 135 Newton
meter.
Yeah, newtons per meter. This is the torque value you have to set. So, and also before this using this torque wrench, you have to make sure that it is calibrated and approved. Okay, then set that number and start tightening. So when you do the tightening, you will get the sound. It means it is reached to the this value, because you already set before tightening. Like this you have to check. Okay, for 20 mm and 24 mm also same. Then after tightening is finished, use the permanent marker like this red color and mark on the nuts that you have inspected. So if anyone visit there, they will know this bolt tower is tightening is completed like this. Okay. Next, grounding installation. For grounding installation, 3 kilometers from the substation, we have to use 7x5 AWG, American wire grounding. This is the code name. Okay. So if we convert into mm, it will come around 13.87 mm dia. So this dia we have to use up to 3 kilometers. Normally contractor will use completely same. So for here you have to check. When you go to close to 3 kilometer, you have to use this one or follow the drawing. Just I am telling in our project what we are using. Okay. After 3 kilometer from both the sides substation, we have 7x7 AWG, American wire gauge, 11 mm dia. So here is increased, here is decreased. So near substation it should be more. Maybe due to the fluctuation and more resistance required. That reason maybe they are using. Okay. Then grounding measurement. Grounding also same case, 3 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Okay, for 380 kV line also there is the same 3 kilometer span, but this value will be changed. So now we are discussing about 132 kV. In next video we will cover that for 380 kV line also. Okay, for 3 kilometer from substation less than 10 ohms, and after 3 kilometers both sides less than 20 ohms. We have to see this one. There is a meager equipment machine will come. We have to make calibrated, and again we have to check internally. Okay, and also we have to put here rod also. And what you have to do here, we have tower 4 legs, right? So keep the earthing for all 4 legs. Sometimes you will not get the resistance. So if you have in spare 2 more legs, so that resistance will meet. So no need to worry. Any one of the leg we will get the required resistance. Then rolling span. Rolling span means average of span length. As per standard, it should not be more than 350 mm. And for 132 kV line, the rolling span given for the total conductor size, length of the conductor is 350. It should not be more than, okay. Then insulator hoisting. This insulator hoisting is very important because it is the expensive item. You have to take very good care for this hoisting, shifting, and also storing and lifting. Very important, okay. Then pilot wire pulling. Then conductor stringing. Mid span joint. Remember, it should be 25 mm away from the 25 meter away from tower. From the tower. So this is what it means. It should be 25 meter away from tower. It should not come in. And this is we have 2 towers. Okay, so this is 25 meter. Up to here we should not allow the splicing. Okay, conductor splicing like this we should not allow at this location. It can come here, no problem, but not up to 25 meter for any tower. Okay. Then it should not come in road crossing also, this joint, and line crossing tension towers. Here is some other arrangement we have to make, and you have to make some guard wire. If something fell down tower, so this should not directly come to the road. The guard wire will protect the conductors. Then the maintenance team can go and immediately rescue the things. So it will not come on the road. There is no issue for the traffic movements. Okay. So we can give the guarding also. Next, conductor sagging, sag scope method and dynamometer method. We have 2 methods. We are using this sag method. And note, sag should be taken on long span. Suppose this is a long span, so this called sagging. This is sag. So this we have to see by the help of instruments. We have to check this ground clearance and what is the value, it is meeting or with the standard or not. We have to see this one. This one we have to check with they will put in the tower one instrument and they will monitor this sag. According to that required, they will adjust. It is going up or down, they will adjust. Okay. Then long span, rolling span. Up to 6 span, 1 sag point should be available. And up to 6 span. This is the one span, फिर another span, like this. Correct?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, like this, no?
Yes.
Like this 6 span. 1 sag point should be available. More than 6 span, it should be 2 sag point. Conductors clipping, spacer installation, jumper installation. Why conductor clipping? So it will not. Otherwise, if you not put the clipping, they will touch together and it will damage. So for that reason we have to put this conductor clipping, and in special installation also same. Jumper installation, you know this tower is here, so here tower, so we are, this is our conductor, we are making jumper like this, okay, correct. This is conductor going, no? So we will, if required maintenance, we will remove this one and do this here maintenance. So this connectivity, and if you make continue conductor, this become heavy load, it will affect the load impact. That's why we are just connecting this jumper installation. Then span length here, wind span, weight span, it should be not more than 650 mm. If exceed more than 650, we have to change, design the special type of tower, SPSL tower. We have to change the type tower change. This will do all that by the designer, but at site team has to inform due to some due to the lack of space or some issues. If there is no ground clearance, something will happen. So we have to raise the technical query to the designer and get this design for the SPSL tower. If you give data from the site, they will design and give you the drawing. Once we get the approved drawing, we have to start the execution, continue. I hope you guys, and means this center to center, okay. Here, this is called wind span, and weight span, this sagging point from this side to this side, the lowest point. We have to calculate this weight span. So all the load will come here. So accordingly they will do the calculations. Okay. I hope you like, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please kindly ask in the comment section. We will try our best to respond. And if there is something I miss, kindly say in your reply in the comments. So we will cover in the next video. Thank you very much.